Hello students, I welcome you to this Darling Urdu channel. My name is Imran and students, through this channel you will learn to read, write and spell in Urdu. Furthermore, we will acquire knowledge on various topics related to Urdu and this video is also available in Urdu language. Introduction to Urdu alphabet. Students, in this video, we will endeavor to explore and comprehend the concise introduction to Urdu alphabet, aiming to grasp its phonetic and pronunciation nuances. Now, students, I would like to tell you something about letter and alphabet. Urdu meaning is harf. What is harf? What is a harf or what is a letter? A letter is a symbol that represents a sound. Student, you can see just I have given you these examples. These are letters and other letters are, you can see here, this is Urdu alphabet and it contains 37 letters. So we use letters to represent a sound. For example, b, b, b. So to express such sound, we use this bay. Bay is a symbol that is used to represent a sound, and this symbol is called letter. So bay is a letter. Jim is also a letter. It is used to represent J sound. So all these are letters and these are used to represent different type of sounds. This is letter. Now what is alphabet? Urdu meaning is hurufe tehjī, a set of letters that are used for writing a language. Now you can see, students, you can see from alif to badi, these are 37 letters and this is a set of 37 letters. This set is called an alphabet of Urdu language, and in Urdu it is called huruf tehjī. So this is an alphabet of Urdu language that contains these 37 letters. Student, this is alif and this is badi. From alif to badi, these are 38 letters and this is alif mad. And there has always been a disagreement among experts regarding the number of letters in Urdu alphabet. According to some experts, alif mad is not a separate letter. It is a modified form of alif. Okay, let me explain. You can see this is alif zabar, this is alif zer, and this is alif pesh u. A, e, u. This symbol is zabar, this zer, and this pesh. So you can see these are different sounds. These are different sounds associated with alif letter alif. These are different sounds of alif being different sound. They are not separate letters, but rather they are all considered only one alif. In a similar way, you can see here, this is this alif and this alif zabar a. When we want to stretch the sound of alif, when the sound of alif is stretched to the length of the sound of another alif, we use alif mad. In simple words, alif mad is just equal to two alifs. When we want to stretch, when we want to draw the sound of alif, we use alif mad. So it means alif mad is itself alif. It is an altered form of alif. Student, this is another letter. This is pronounced noon. Noon is used to express the sound like nun sound or an sound, in English an. And this is noon gunna without a dot above. Noon gunna is a modified form of noon. It is not considered a separate letter. It is a modified form of noon without a dot above. And when the sound is pronounced through nose, we use noon gunna, or the sound of noon gunna is nasalized. This is hai, and this is do chashmi hai. Do chashmi hai means two-eyed hai. And some experts suggest do chashmi hai is a modified form of hai, so it is not a separate letter. And some experts believe do chashmi hai is a separate letter. And I would like to tell you something about do chashmi hai. Students, these are 15 compound letters and these compound letters are made with the help of do chashmi hai. Do chashmi hai is always combined with a prefix. You can see here, this is be and this is do chashmi hai, and it becomes bhe. They produce another new sound, bhe, phe, the. And look here, in these cases, dal do chashme hai, dal do chashme hai, re do chashme hai, re do chashme hai. These two letters cannot be combined like be and pe. These letters retain their original shape. Do chashme hai is never used alone. It is always used to combine with other letters to form new sounds. In Urdu, do chashme hai is never used at the beginning of a word, as no word starts with do chashme hai. Now, student, this is another letter, Hamza. There is also a difference of opinion about Hamza. Some experts believe Hamza is not a letter, and some suggest Hamza is a distinct letter. You can see here, this is Inshallah. In Inshallah, Hamza has been used as a letter. And next example is Dair, and another way to write Dair, Da alif zabad da, alif re zer, ir, Dair. And we have used Hamza in place of alif as a letter. So some experts suggest they believe Hamza is a letter. Student, from alif to ne, these are 53 sounds, and from alif to badiye, these are called individual sounds or individual letters, and these are 15 base to ne, these are 15 sounds. These are called compound letters or compound sounds. So student, you can see these are 37 letters without alif mad. Usually these 37 letters are read and taught. Now see, this is pe, che, je, gaf and badiye. These five letters highlighted in brown color, they have been derived from Persian language. And now you can see these are red colored letters, te, dal, re. These three letters have been borrowed from Hindi, and remaining all black colored letters, they have been taken from Arabic. Students, I hope you must have understood the brief introduction to Urdu alphabet presented before you, and I am very thankful to you for watching this video, and stay connected with this channel, and I will catch you in next video. Thank you very much. बहुत शुक्रिया.